Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to get into Pathblazers, which is a math program that we're using at our school. And for your math assignment today is you have to go into your Fort Worth ISD portal and go into your assignment. So I'm going to show you how to get there. Okay, so we're going to go to www.fortworthisd.org/myfwisd. It takes us to our Launchpad. And remember the logins that I gave you. This is how you access everything in Google Classroom. So I'm going to use somebody's login as an example so that you can see what it looks like from a student perspective. And I'm going to show you the assignment that I have assigned for you. Okay, so here's our password. And then we're going to sign in. And you're going to go right into your portal. So this is our class link. And we're going to come down to Pathblazers. It's this red app with a lantern on it. And it's called Pathblazers. So you're going to click on it. And since you're logged into your class link already, then all you have to do is click it and it logs you in. And I'm Cami today, so Cami, this is yours. But this is what it's going to look like. As soon as you log in, you're going to see it says Edgenuity, and then it'll say your name. And then right here is your assignment in the green. So you're going to click the green, and you're going to click the first one. It says Instruction Practice, and then you're going to do the quiz. So this is your assignment for today, or if you're watching this video, today is Monday, but I'm filming it on Monday. But your assignment for Tuesday. So this is how you're going to get into Pathblazers. So then you'd click that. And it starts the activity that I have assigned for you to do. And Cami, you're going to have to go back to the beginning because I use yours as an example.
I left some bananas for you by the third palm tree. Love, Mama.
But you would go through each module or each little activity, and it does have games and stuff for them to practice or for you to practice the skill. And since we're talking about ordinal numbers, then you will be completing the activities about ordinal numbers, okay? And then it takes you back to your quiz. You can click exit, and it takes you back, and you would take the quiz. And the quiz, if you're not sure how to take a quiz.
Which picture is third? A, apple. B, penny. C, glass.
So it reads it to you. So it's going to ask you which picture is third. And we've been talking about ordinal numbers. Ready? First, second, third. So which one is in third? The apple. And that's the first one it read. So you click that, and then you click next. Okay? So that is your assignment for today for Pathblazers. So you have to go into your fortworthisd.org, go into the Launchpad here, click on Pathblazers, and go straight to your first assignment. And that is how you're going to do your assignment that I assigned to you.